National Weather Service.
Within every NOAA national weather forecaster and behind every critical decision-making process lies the preparation and education provided by the Warning Decision Training Branch. With an expert staff of meteorologists, research associates, graphic designers, and IT specialists, this NOAA Weather Partners mission is to improve warning performance within NOAA's National Weather Service.
We do this by infusing three things into the training operations, and that's science, there's technology, and then there's a critical human factors element we also address.
Forecasters rely on NEXRAD radar when warning the public of hazardous weather conditions. The training they receive emphasizes accuracy, timeliness, and composure in their forecasting performance.
This training is always changing because the science is always changing. So I think in a very subtle way it exposes everyone to the concept of change. But it also allows us to improve as scientists and to, I think, communicate more effectively because a lot of us will be using the same knowledge.
The Warning Decision Training Branch provides training through multiple delivery systems. While traditional in-residence training is still utilized, about 90% of training is now done via distance learning over the internet. Forecasters also train on the Weather Event Simulator, which displays weather scenarios in real time.
One of the things in training that's important to do is not just tell, but also allow them to apply what they've learned. The application is that critical element in learning how to use these new tools. The Weather Event Simulator is that tool. It allows the forecasters to go through an operationally representative environment to allow them to make decisions. As you go through and practice using the simulator over and over again, when the real event occurs, they're not going to have a panic moment. They're going to be well experienced and prepared for that moment.
Each year, the Warning Decision Training Branch trains over 2,000 students throughout NOAA's National Weather Service. Recently, an advanced course on winter weather contributed to better forecasts.
We saw some pretty dramatic increases in performance and warning lead times for winter storm warnings, and also we saw, in terms of accuracy, the actual probability of detection up around 93%, which was a pretty big increase from what they'd seen in past years. And part of this could be attributed to some of the training that was accomplished by all the forecasters.
From the classroom to forecast operations, the Warning Decision Training Branch plays a crucial role in NOAA's mission to protect life and property.
The training, the theory, it all comes together, and the more training, the more practice, I think the more effective one becomes in a real-time environment.
The key impact of our training is to prepare those decision makers to make effective and correct decisions to provide the maximum warning performance support to the public. That's our ultimate goal. Performance improvement, that's our mission.